Hello guys, we're back to more videos. So today we're going to play Violet Tower. So anyways guys, if you wanna see more videos on channel, make sure to like and subscribe and also hit the notification bell. And also I'm going to hit more videos. So I'm going to just keep uploading videos I think. So I keep lagging. Why I'm lagging guys? Okay, so anyways, we're going to beat that game. That is the first easy game on the internet. Other tower, I think. Let's stop raging. Stop lagging. What are you doing, player? You're just freezing out of nowhere. Get lost. I'm going to just beat it or something. Just beat you then, I guess. So, anyways, what's that? A ladder? Okay, so we're going to beat that game, guys. I can just trying to beat that game because, oh my god, this one's tough. Oh my god, this one's easy. This one's easy than I thought, guys. Oh my god, it's easy, guys. I think I like this. I think I like this game, guys, right? So I like this. I like this game. What the Sigma? What's wrong with this? Oh my god. I think I like this game. What the Sigma? What happened? Can I just climb the ladder or something? Or is this a glitch? What's that glitch? Okay, let's beat that game. I think that is the game. Oh my god. What's that? What's that flickering? Oh my god. I think I like this game. Oh! Do not fall, please. Do not fall. If I fall, no, what? Leave this game. Oh my god, be careful, guys. Be careful. This one. Okay, this one that I just fall. Come on, do not fall. Oh my god, this one's hard. This one's harder than I thought. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, this one's easy. Oh my god. Oh my god, this. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my god. I think it's easy, guys. No. No. No, 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 no. Okay, come on, don't you dare ever fall. If you fall, then I'm going to leave. Let's fall. What? What happened? Why? Oh wait, what's that? Can I just choose whatever I want? Or just choose it? Oh my god, I just choose the pink. The pink, I think. Oh my god, this game is easy. Oh my god, no, 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 no. I don't like hard, it's easy. I like easy, guys. No hard. This now easy, guys. On hard, Lian. This now on hard. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. We're almost there. We need to win this game. We need to win this game, guys. We need to win this game. Come on. Um, yes. What the heck happened? Wait, I just wanted to win this game. There's invisible ladder. Um, 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 uh-huh. Yes. How? How can I do it? No, 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 no. Oh my god, do not fall again. Do not fall. La, 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 la. Do not fall. Do not fall. Do not fall. Do not fall in easy game. It's easy. I want easy, please. No! Wait, I should just... There's an invisible ladder that we came in this. How can I do it? Oh my god, go. Oh wait, I should just go in on. Why? Why is it hard? Oh my god. Why? Oh my god. I think easy. I think I'm gonna go this way. The maze. A very new maze in there. There's so many maze there, guys. Maze. I think, guys. It will take 5 minutes, I think, or 5 minutes to make it. So, anyways. Oh! Yes. Ooh. No! No! Come on! So, come on, guys. Come on! Do not fall, do not fall, do not fall. Oh my. Oh, mama! Up, up, stop, stop, stop. Stop it. Stop, stop, stop. Oh, mama. Oh, it's hard. I thought it's easy. No, I can't even do it. My god, my god. How can I do it? I can just do it in real life. Oh, oopsie. Oop, oop, oop. Yes, it's easy, guys. It will take a few 10 minutes. No! Do not fall. Do not fall. It's easy. Whoop, whoop. Do not fall. How can I do it? Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop. Oh my god. It's funny. I think it's funny, guys. I think it's funny. Oh my god, it's easy. Um, um, oh, oh, whoop, whoop, whoop. How can I do it? Oh no, 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 this one's hard. It will take 10 minutes or 20 minutes. How can I do it? How can I do it in real life? No, no, no. What's the Japanese? Oh, sure, and I can't even speak it. I don't know. How can I go this way? Wait, I can just... Wait, I don't know how. I know. Wait, this one's the maze. Oh, see. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Oh my god, come on. We're almost there. We're almost there, guys. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Wait, I need to shift block or not? Can I go? How can I do it? How can I do it? Do that. How? Can I, no, I don't know how. Can I just, wait, how can I use scanning? Why is it hard? Can I just do whatever? I like Sini. No! 3 to 1. Wait, I should just shift block like this. Wait, I should just shift block. Oh, GG! Yes. Oh my god. You're kidding me. Oh. Oopsie. Oopsie. Wait, can I just... Oh my god. Bro. Come on. We need a move. Mamas. Wait, can I... why is it hard? Why is it hard? Why is it hard, guys? Why is it hard? Wait, can I just... ouch. What the heck? Wait, can I just run up? Come on, please. Bye, guys.